Hi everyone, my name is Boora, CEO Spryple HR. Today we are at Indomach trade show in Hytex Hyderabad. We are here primarily to talk about HRMS solution from Spryple HR. HR solution is mainly developed using artificial intelligence, and it can help all kinds of businesses to track the workforce starting from their employee joining till the employee separation. One of the main features that I can quote today is the artificial intelligence enabled facial recognition, which can help the companies to track the attendance of their employees of any size in few seconds. So today you can see we have clients from across business sizes. So there are clients who are in the bakery segment from small towns to the engineering companies in Hyderabad city, and also we are across India now, and we have clients from US and Dubai too. So we do have free trial for our Spryple HR. So you can try 1 month free trial for your business and see whether this is something that suits for your business. If you think this suits for your business, then you can pay us. The amount is also very less. It's only 1 rupee per day per employee. So once you are happy, you can pay for our service, and we will be here to support you whether in Hyderabad or in districts or across India. So our Spryple HR is there everywhere. So please subscribe. You can visit our website www.spryple.com. Also, we are on social media, so you can see our Instagram handle with Spryple, and it is there in Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So our social market reachability is definitely one of the best, I can say, in today's market. So you can find Spryple HR in every social media pages. And coming to the making call, definitely you can call our numbers 91000 52009. Once again, 91000 52009. You can call that number and you can ask for free trial. Also, you can send us a mail to sales@spryple.com. It is sales@spryple.com. You please send a mail with your company details, and we will onboard you within 30 minutes after we receive your details. And definitely, our software is with all latest features and technologies with a budget friendly. Thank you for watching.